Yo, what's good, guys? KosherTech here. So today we got some more Chinese fans to review. Now, again, these are from Asiahorse. These are the new ones. Let's get to it. Alright, so guys, so these are the FS-9002. Now, these are the white edition. Alright, now for all you cats out there waiting for them nice Chinese white fans, I gotta say that these ones might be for you. But anyways, you get a 3-pack for $40. We get a 6-pack for 3 additional for $80. So I got three in here and 3 in here. I got 2 boxes, same exact things. All right, let's pop this box open. Let's see what we get. All right, they should, and they are PWM. Unfortunately, well, you know what? Let me do a typical Asiahorse bashing on the box. Of course, we got no specs, no presentation, nothing. Of course, they advertising, you know, all that stuff here. But anyways, look, Asiahorse, for the millionth time, guys, when you're watching the vid, do me a favor, draw some specs on the box, what these fans are, what the PWM functionality is, what color they are, at least something for the consumer to know, as well as for the reviewer as well. But anyways, let's pop the box open. I mean, they're all this, you know, they're all the same PC cooling. But anyways, let's check out the white, yo. I'm feeling this white, man. I'm feeling this white. All right, so we get a nice looking box. We get the instructional guide, which I just like tossed away out of nowhere. Let's see. Of course, we get always a good breakdown. Asiahorse always gives us a nice little manual on how to connect everything. And of course, in this video, we are going to go through everything on how to connect as well. But of course, a nice white color, man. I got to say, absolutely gorgeous. Now, they all seem like to be stuck together for some reason. All right, so we pop them out. We get the SATA connectors. We get this, and we get this. What else? The fans are in here. We get this. Damn, yo, why'd you guys not give us a little cardboard box or something? But anyway, let's put that aside. I mean, the fans are beautiful. I'll get to the fans in a sec. Again, man, this hub, what is up with Asiahorse? They playing games, man. Jeez. All right, the hub feels really flimsy. I don't know what they changed in the hub, but in the back there should be magnets. For some reason, the magnets are missing, so they gave us adhesive. Now that is some BS, guys. That is very, very lazy, and that's not good. You know, Kosher's been rolling with you guys, but with this little okie dokie trying to pull at us, this is no bueno, man. How you guys got rid of the magnets? You know what I'm saying? You guys had cutouts for the magnets, and you guys want us to put adhesive. No, I don't want this, man. I want the magnets back. Bring the magnets back. Also, the hub feels very flimsy. I'm not feeling that. All right. Anyways, we get power. We get power. We get PWM. We get power. We got the aura/reset. But yeah, the hub is no bueno. We get SATA power. All right. Very simple. SATA power. This is for the PWM functionality, since this is a 4-pin. 4-pin header. This goes into, where is it? Where it says PWM. All right, so you're gonna see PWM right over here. This goes into where it says PWM. We plug this in. This most likely probably goes into your CPU header. I gotta look at that. I'm gonna tell you once I have everything connected. This is the ARGB connector, 3-pin, of course. This is for the reset switch, and this is for the Aura, Mystic Light, Gigabyte Fusion, whatever you guys have. But this will work with everything. And of course, if you guys are still confused, I'm gonna have descriptions for my Discord server below. Definitely check them out. But anyways, that's that. The remote, same remote. I guess they're using I believe this remote is also from Solar Eclipse. I am a fan of this remote. It's a nice looking remote. Make sure you see there's no red button. There's no red light pulsating. What you guys want to do is just pull this out, and now you're gonna see a red light beeping. All right, so make sure to pull out to enable the remote control. Anyways, let's get to the fans, and of course we get screws. We get a bunch of screws. Let's get to it. Look, I am feeling this white. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, I do have a white case. I have the 465X. All right, it's in white. You got the nice tempered glass. I did review the case, of course. Guys, I'm gonna have a card up there. I'm gonna also have it in the description below. But this is gonna look absolutely gorgeous in the case. You guys are about to see it in a few. But this is what I'm talking about. Let's peep this right now for the camera, man. This is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go. Look at this. Beautiful. Very, very nice. I'm just trying to get these cables in order. Very nice. Let's put the horse right there. Very nice. Very, very beautiful. I gotta admit, very, very, very gorgeous. The white is absolutely beautiful. The fan blades do have some cutouts here for better airflow. We get the Asiahorse logo. We get the nice little white rubber garments over here to dampen out the sound. But overall, it is looking mighty nice. All right. We get the, oh, we can look at that. We get a nice little Asiahorse logo as well. So Asiahorse is like putting their logo everywhere. But overall, the white looks absolutely gorgeous. This is a nice looking white. We're going to put it in the test bench right now, and we are about to see exactly how it looks. But overall, I am feeling this, but I got to see how this hub and whatnot works because it's very, very flimsy. But anyways, let's go. All right, guys, so I installed everything. You guys can see I got the hub over here. Now, again, I wish it was magnetic. You know, I had to like stick it in there with my own, I went with my own double-sided tape. But anyways, the installation process is very, very simple. Of course, you put all the fans into the hub, and then basically this is for power, the SATA cable, which I have right here that I plugged in. But what else we got? The Aura, I do have it going into my ARGB deep cool converter, guys, which is over there. So I could transfer the signal, so I could put it in from a 5 volt to a 12 volt. And then the PWM wire, I do have it plugged in there in one of the 4-pin PWM headers. And then that's basically it. That's how you connect it. Again, it's a very easy process. Now, I did do a review on the deep cool converter, ARGB converter. Make sure, I'll have it in the description below. Make sure to check that video out. As well, if you guys still don't understand, need more help, definitely join my Discord server. I'll have that also in the description below. All right, guys, so we have the Aura Sync enabled. Now, the fans, I just have them regular on the preset of the hub. So in order for you to access the Aura Sync software, what you're gonna wanna do is the power button right on the bottom left, you wanna click it twice simultaneously. So right now, it's already on Aura Sync. It's on, I believe, color shift. You see everything is synchronized, the fans and the motherboard, since this is not an Asus product, the AIO, it's Corsair, it's not synced, and then below as well, we're gonna see it synced too. So there's different options, right? There's static and color cycle and whatnot. So in order for, basically when you get these fans first, the colors are not gonna be calibrated. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go to settings, and you wanna hit calibration. And you're gonna hit next, the first one, right? Next. And then it's gonna show you red, right? You're gonna see red right here, you're gonna click next. And it's gonna say blue, and you're gonna see it having green here. You're gonna say no, the blue is showing, so you're gonna click next. And then of course green, right? And then you're gonna hit green. And then done. Everything is calibrated now. That's it. The process is over. You could move on. And then we could switch different colors. So let's hit blue. And then we're gonna see everything should be in blue. Let's go to static. Let's go to green. Apply, there you go. Let's go to blue. There you go, so it's at blue. Static colors, everything is at blue. So there you go, there's your Aura synchronization. Now, the previous fans, the previous Asiahorse fans, which I reviewed, this function was not working correctly. Fortunately for the, what are these? The FS-9002s, if I'm not mistaken, they are working beautifully well. So yes, the Aura Sync is working proper, guys. But that's basically how you calibrate it. All right, guys, so let's get a quick sound test. Now, these are on the lowest RPM settings. They're very, very quiet. So I'm gonna turn it up. So once you're gonna see a blue indicator, that means it went 1 up RPM, basically 1 gear, as Asiahorse states. So there's altogether 3 gears, or 3 modes. Whisper quiet. Let's turn it up. And this is max RPM. They sound absolutely, absolutely beautiful. They push a lot of air in max RPM as well. Sorry guys, I almost forgot my paper towel. Yeah, let's put it in. This is max RPM. Look at it go. She's going too wild. Let me close it up. Just pushing a lot of air, guys. A lot. When I loosen it up, yeah, now it goes crazy. But yeah, these fans, absolutely beautiful with the PWM function, guys. All right, you guys. So of course, let's run through the solid colors first. Now, of course, we got white, we got red, we got green, we got blue. All right, they look absolutely all beautiful. Let's stick it to white. Let's check out the dimness. All right, so this is on max brightness. I mean, they almost go all the way to off. Let's turn them back on. Yeah, they're bright. They're really, really bright. Let's turn them off. Now, I do have the Corsair LED RGB light strips. It just makes it look much better, guys. Let's turn them back on. All right, looks absolutely beautiful. Let's switch the modes. Of course, this is the classic rainbow. Looks gorgeous, man. These white fans, guys, oh my God. If you, like in this scenario, if you have the 465X case, man, with the tempered glass on in the front, it looks absolutely beautiful with the white fans. Absolutely gorgeous. Different effects. Yo, the effects are even sick, man. Look at these. We could speed them up. Look how sick they are, man. Slow them down. I mean, the usual, you know. Slow them really, really down. Absolutely beautiful, man. The LEDs are straight gorgeous. Let's switch them. We have this effect. This one. This one. This one. I mean, you guys basically get the point. We get a bunch of effects here. It looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. That's dope. Whatever that effect is, that's pretty fire. That one is also nice. Man, the fan blade, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I can't say that enough. But yeah, guys, I mean, you guys see it for yourselves, man. These things are absolutely beautiful. That's also very nice. That's dope. All right, you guys, let's take a look at the fans one more time. Beautiful. Look at them. All white design, absolutely gorgeous. Even when we flip it back on the other side, you see the fins here, white. Everything is white. I'm feeling that, man. One more time. These things, man, especially for the price, look at them, gorgeous. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let's get into the negatives and the positives of these fans, like every fan. All right, again, you know, these wires are very, very thin. I'm not feeling them. I don't understand. The new design, all the white fans, for some reason, Asiahorse went with these very cheap designed wires. Be very careful when you guys pull them out. You might damage it, and you might actually pull one wire out. So be very careful. I am not feeling that. Just a quick heads up. These are the Ego DR12s 2019 edition. These were my favorite so-called white fans, but these bad boys, this is the difference. Look at them. These bad boys right here, they took the spot, man. They took the place because they are absolutely beautiful, man. But these Ego Dark, the DR12s, I did review them. I'll have it in the description below. I'll throw a card up there. Definitely make sure to check those fans out. They are fire. Now next, the hubs. All right, look. Again, I don't know what they're doing out there in China. All right, Asiahorse, listen, wake up, man. Your hub is like really, look at this. You hear that? What the F, man? This is like my second hub. I get that. For some reason, oh, they're just like flimsy. Again, the magnets, where are the magnets? You guys gave us cutouts, but no magnets. At least like throwing magnets and say install them yourselves. All right, but you know, come on, no magnets, man. Again, no labeling. No labeling on the hub. Nothing. No 1 through 10, nothing. We just have PWM, power, and reset. You know, that's a no-go. Who did it well? I'll show you. Dark Flash Ego, man. They put it up in the clutch. Look at them. Everything is labeled. You don't hear nothing. You don't hear nothing. Everything is labeled. Very nice design. Most importantly, they gave us magnets, yo. We actually got magnets. We got cutouts here from magnets, but we actually got magnets. So, again, I don't know what Asiahorse was doing with their hubs, but very flimsy, feels very cheap. You know, here we don't have that kind of issue. Like, Ego Dark Flash did something right. I don't know what Asiahorse, because the previous Asiahorse fans that I reviewed, I never encountered this issues. Only the new ones that I'm currently reviewing, especially all the white ones, I'm having this kind of issue. Again, I don't know what's going on down there, but they got to resolve this issue. Next, the Aura Sync thankfully worked. No issues. You double tap on the remote, you get the Aura Sync to go. We had no issues on that. But besides the point, the PWM functionality, I love it. You don't have to plug it into the CPU header. It could be any 4-pin PWM header, and you're basically good to go. The remote control, good, no issues there. Like, look, these things are honestly, for the price especially, they're honestly beast. I'm personally feeling them, you know, man. But the white, and we got the Asiahorse logos, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Listen, for the price point, I can't hate. All the functionalities work. I had no issues whatsoever. You guys saw it. Different fan speeds. I just wish that Asiahorse will finally put some specs on the box. All the different PWM speeds that I was using, they didn't advertise them on their on the website, on Amazon, even on the booklet. There was no, you know, different speed functions. It's not like you press it one time and you get this RPM, you press it a second time, you get a different RPM. There's none of that. So everything is all assumption in that point. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you guys at this. These things are honestly most definitely my most favorite white fans, my most favorite ChineseRGB white fans, guys. Absolutely beautiful. If you got a white case like I got on the 465X, I did review that case. I'll have it in the description. I'm not a fan of the case for the price, but overall, it is a nice showpiece. As you guys saw, that reviewing these ChineseRGB fans in that case is absolutely beautiful. They pop in that white case, especially with the white AIO that I had, the white Corsair AIO looked absolutely beautiful. These, like I said, these are my favorite fans, especially in white. They are absolutely gorgeous, guys. But anyways, guys, I'm KosherTech. I'm going to catch you guys next time. Deuces.